Hey guys, I've had these twists in my hair for a while and a lot of people have been asking me how I put them in. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on me doing one of them around my perimeter. Some of them were getting a little bit out of hand, so it was time for a refresh. This piece that I'm holding in my hand right now had already been in my hair. I'll insert a picture of the type of hair that I use, but I used 4 pieces of the hair and I just had them all at different lengths, and this is how I put them in. It's pretty self-explanatory. So actually, originally when I did my hair, I did my own actual hair the same way that I put the twist in, by braiding it at the top and twisting it at the bottom. But as you can see, over time after having them in, it just pulled the twist part right on out. It was still braided at the top a little bit, but I decided not to like retwist it just because it didn't make sense. It was just going to unravel again anyway, so I left it loose. So yeah guys, I used 4 packs of the hair and I promise it did not actually take me this long to do one twist when I first did them, because I did not have these nails on. Yeah, I'm getting used to them. I don't usually wear like artificial nails, I guess you could say, but I freaking love them, so they're staying, and that's just that. I just got to get used to like doing my hair with them. So yeah. So I didn't actually end up doing anything with the ends as far as like dipping them or curling them to set them, because with the texture of the hair, 1, I didn't actually know what to do with them. Like, I couldn't decide, and 2, I was completely fine with the way they looked already, so I didn't have a problem with it. Yeah, look, I have a hole in my sweater. So yeah, they're pretty long. They go down past my butt. I love them. Yes, they make me happy with the length. I don't usually wear my braids this long, but I could get used to it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where I am as far as new growth so far with these. I haven't had them in for a whole month. They look old AF already, but it's not like a crazy amount of new growth. It's a decent amount. I'll hit the month mark, I think, in another like 2 weeks to a week and a half, whatever, something like that. But it's almost a month basically. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So yeah guys, hope you like this video. Hope it helps someone. I know I am literally terrible at uploading videos, but I do upload more frequently on Instagram, so if you want to see me more often, follow me there. I will work on doing more videos. I know I said that last time, but guys, let me know what videos you want to see from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this one, and I'll see you in the next one.